Ever wondered why your stomach growls? It's not just a sign that you're hungry. This fascinating phenomenon, known as borborygmi, happens when gas and fluid move through your intestines. When you eat, your body starts to digest food, and the muscles in your stomach and intestines contract to push everything along. If you haven't eaten in a while, these contractions can create those rumbling sounds, even if you're not actually starving. Interestingly, your stomach can also growl when you're anticipating a meal, as your body prepares for food. So, next time your stomach starts to sing, remember it's just your digestive system doing its job, and maybe it's time for a tasty snack.